Welcome back to Riders King. Today, we have something special for all cruiser lovers, the 2025 Honda Rebel 1100T. This bike is an absolute beast, blending classic cruiser styling with modern touring capabilities. Honda has taken the beloved Rebel 1100 and given it a more aggressive, touring-oriented design, making it perfect for long rides without sacrificing that signature Rebel attitude. If you're someone who loves cruising on highways with comfort and style, this motorcycle is definitely worth a look. The Honda Rebel 1100T comes with a powerful 1084cc parallel twin engine, the same one found in the Africa Twin, delivering a perfect balance of power and efficiency. With its 6-speed manual transmission or DCT, dual-clutch transmission option, it caters to both traditional riders and those who prefer a more effortless ride. The throttle response is smooth, and the bike provides plenty of torque, making acceleration feel effortless. Whether you're riding through city streets or hitting the open road, the Rebel 1100T gives you a thrilling yet controlled experience. One of the standout features of the 2025 Rebel 1100T is its batwing fairing, which not only enhances the bike's aggressive look but also provides excellent wind protection for long-distance riding. This makes it a great option for touring riders who want both comfort and style. Honda has also included hard saddlebags that blend seamlessly with the design, offering ample storage for weekend getaways or daily commuting. The overall aesthetic is clean, modern, and undeniably cool, making it a head-turner wherever you go. When it comes to comfort, Honda has designed the Rebel 1100T with ergonomics in mind. The seat is well padded and positioned low, giving riders a relaxed yet confident stance. The forward-set footpegs and wide handlebars contribute to a comfortable riding posture, allowing for long hours on the road without fatigue. The suspension setup is well-tuned, with Showa forks in the front and dual shocks in the rear, ensuring a smooth ride even on bumpy roads. Honda has also equipped the Rebel 1100T with advanced electronics, including riding modes, cruise control, and traction control, making it a modern cruiser that adapts to different riding conditions. Braking on the Rebel 1100T is handled by a powerful disc brake system with ABS, ensuring safety and reliability in all weather conditions. The bike rolls on 18-inch front and 16-inch rear wheels, giving it a solid and stable feel on the road. The lightweight chassis and well-balanced weight distribution make handling surprisingly nimble for a cruiser of this size. Whether you're taking sharp turns or cruising at highway speeds, the Rebel 1100T remains stable and responsive. Overall, the 2025 Honda Rebel 1100T is a fantastic option for riders looking for a mix of power, style, and touring capabilities. With its powerful engine, comfortable ergonomics, and modern features, it's a bike that appeals to both experienced riders and those new to the cruiser segment. Honda has once again delivered a machine that balances performance and practicality, making it a great choice for anyone who loves the open road. Let me know in the comments what you think about this bike, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Riders King for more exciting motorcycle content. Ride safe, and see you in the next video.